Sonia. I just want to ask question. Why be say ave mani human nena? What's the one that you go nigbuwa? Ije Sonia. Yes, Sonia Vitali. Why they can make a winner? Why it be say all these elderly women, if small pikin no cause them, make you beat them, make you spit for their face, they continue to they push you. Why? I just want to know. Because for me, you see, say I like to respect myself. That's why you hardly see me, Jama First Lady, with somebody like as this TikTok reach so. I mean never. Because I love respect. I respect myself a lot. So that's why you can never see me. Now a Jama First Lady you do wodoni, a Jama me no do bona. I mean never. But it's really unfortunate that all these advanced women abroad, when you are respecting them and you don't want to insult them, not that if you insult them something will happen. No, nothing will happen. They know they feed me, I know they feed them. Like Mama say, no, like EJ Sonia for Italy now. I know they feed her, she know they feed me. I can insult her. Chest. You see, but I decide to respect her. Not beside they see her for just respect from afar. Me, I just do my things from afar. I don't go close to anybody. Now I make video about Vera. Mama Sonia enter live video now. They drag me. Say who be me when go talk to Vera? Me when I also beat so person. Who I beat? Me when I call so person. Ije Sonia, where am we boju woda ori metie bon no man we metie bon and why ti there? Ije Sonia, where ti ver boju? Why are you people behaving like this? Do you know what? Let me tell you one thing. Yarovie no seven. Yarovie no seven. After I don't do one, I dey feel guilty where. I know many of you don't know me out there. You just know Jama First Lady, but I'm a very emotional person. Like, it get the way I take day, but I can still be brutal. I don't know if you understand. Ije Sonia, a Vera megugwa. You were on this social media when Vera they pray, they talk say they go deport my husband. When Vera talk say they go carry my children for this country. And now waiting Vera pray for me openly for YouTube. And they see I'm not they happen to Vera. And I can't talk put. You say I'm not qualified to talk put. You say because me self beat so person. What's in when I saga we gwalon we analyze here. O mani no we make beni metie bonani. O ma mo we la dia social media o mo gugbe. Ime Ije Sonia, uwe dege anyhow. Ya can go e do we de turuwa de tunye. You see, which I don't like to do all that. A social media na weje. The devil we know. What woman now you they sit down for social media, they compare, they do this one. I know they do competition with Tuna. Mona leave me alone. Make I thought of Vera. Vera when me they thought of Vera know what she do me too. Vera pray for my husband, make the deport am. Pray for my children. She not get here. No, if you insult her now, they go like, oh, you they insult a grown-up person. Oh, you not get respect. You see? And this person now, just imagine, me when Jama First Lady never concern me and now one day, these old women abroad, they don't even think. They don't go to say, oh, you can't marry over there. Oh, you can't marry over there. Make them, even though they want to talk about you, they go talk her in a way. It is Sonia now, or what tell me, and then the Jama First Lady, they no man mose so it is Sonia o se nu we mose na ni anu we claim who we mose ke come nu support you go mose we wire there estate nu wire there wo Italy wo ime no omo nu wire bi eleve we bokoko wo. Which kind of nonsense be this one? Iye Sonia oni se o oni se menu mi ene yo ma no ogwo ma we ya iro bi we never kwi do de igwa we I not sabi doing. Respect yourself. Vera, which my pray for my husband to be deported. Vera prayed. And yesterday, they just deport Benjamin Goekaro. And you say, make I sit down, do like say I don't see him. Do you think say I be fake person? I not be fake person, no. Iye Sonia stop paying no una. Egene zona karo geni. Ene na ma mose so ene ne jama lady ni. Eri waje. Ene la wo madan. If you get problem with your children, use that one take the talk. Not they put my own. Got tie boni joda. Deja don it tie bona. Deja don okinu we mu ni menimero vie. Boje. We mu joda ni me social media na. Abeme no romo nu wa me gwalo. Abe de do me na they don't need la warere wa ri ogwa. Nu wa ya yu hu gbove. Wa be kana de gbe adie webo. How can an old woman like this say they talk about me? Just they do. It's just Sonia lao madam. I don't know why you people don't respect yourself. I feel so bad when small people go they insult me. In as much I never reach una age, I don't like it when children go they disrespect me. That is why I always stay on my own. I don't also want to disrespect anybody. But many of you are not getting it. It's unfortunate anyway. When you was saying now. I make ba me 50, make 40 something work bana. Biti kwe o balo me be. And for me to avoid small picking insult, what I do on my own. Even the mini atose o me ba. Because man of you kakere do arovi me. But whenever they now, why video? I don't know why. Iye Sonia we work a video we na wa copy me vera. Eri vera gbere eroda fun eri megbene ni jene no ma. If you we magbu we social media na we mi nu memo mo se nu gwa na gbo gwa je gbe social media na. Ije Sonia we are yo go ne gbu we oto alamere a. But you we don't tell who we have a social media. Who we me ma ho. Do you think I didn't hear it? Did I have social media? Am I not a blogger? A blogger me. What's the man of YouTube? Why not cut that part? Go put that for my YouTube. To say, man, cause Sophia mama cosamo, Piki cosamo. I do no, because I am avoiding you people. I don't want you people. Since we are working your metal, working your sir, so I avoid you people. I don't want to go close to you people. So I expect you people to do same to me. Apart from my family, me, my husband, even my man will tag bona. And we are happy with ourselves. That's what matters. I don't need anybody validation. I don't care. I don't be freak social media. No. I'm just doing my thing. I just can't ask you this morning. Even the way you they talk to me just now, they look down on me. Now so your children small. Now so this one. It not concern me. I keep saying it can't tie the way tie. When we are cooking we, kaya you boni ariele we. Iye Sonia la wo ido imi awe. Wo wega asi we look be me like that. Imio Iga we mami okay no. But did you see me? But really, let's be honest here. Me, I don't know why they shame where forget say they do social media. Ije Sonia, we wega ave saga social media there with mama. O we na call you na gwa. O we no honore jemi mana. O da fo na tie. Ana a o me ya na sunu. A o me so e. E ho me ho e. But when me e debi me rue la video. When me rue la video do time where Sonia Piki don't be down. Hey ho when me ya. That is how someone respect themselves. That's what they call respect. It's unfortunate who were respected. Mostly when if you mark your save we bona. I don't know why. Do you think I'm scared? When the video we got lucky the fear iguajo. Who go hamu ya? Oh hamu but he respected baby. Irrespected baby. Only even wani bui wana zaga everywhere. I don't do it. I'm not hypocrite. I don't need you people. It never clear to una say all this una category. I'm not there. I don't need you guys. You guys are too dirty. You guys so I don't do that. That's why my mother for me wa working man. And the other for one, it just Sonia the great disrespect that for me. Try you. It just Sonia. Hey, disrespect that for me. Try you. Hey, the great try. What the great try? I don't want good. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't ever say that the great side because a picture you when me no way I be root to one of my hours surgery. What's no? Near get you with social media now. Where have we met there? Why can't you people respect yourself? Why? And you bishop that for him. Are you well, Latia? He's not that from you where all of you were like more good boom, or a more good where we can not touch you, or more good bemoya no biele. In the water, I've been holding my moela to social media. I'm not total, not in my hands, sir. Or ya gonna total. On the way, my what did go for more than 5 days in Maladia? In our one, if a bolla with best on your walk better bijua. In the water, who are in of it, or walk better bijua, Sonia. Ufia hua abi you bi akwa yi ogwo gbe Sonia ole mo record vital ogwo gbera gbiju e emi no kwoni wi me awo bi gwe ya emi no kwoni wi me awo bi gwe Sonia ama no ya gato ta ye so ya mo bi e zo wo kwa o maka me ka e imagwashi ya e we Gladys if you beg here or yes or ya girl total bi to me no ya sunu or we my hansa ona so atalo or get tell me not wa ya na very or wanna get video when I see the video ina nwa eratie iritie no talk I make no some mama nene baloma of your me na fie ina lawa acquired for more than 5 days of one na la je gba have a YouTube awe ma so no gugbu Sonia ogwo gbera gbiju Sonia abi ogwo gbe mi ya no je wese ofia hu a abi oki oto no gbe bi Sonia ogwo gbu a but when you la dia first now na we video second time na we video si gbe fe 3 times on la dia be je o wetin ye le ba e omo me la dia ota eri ya disgrace be eri gbiyen eri wona eri o emi no don't say the le na mama wa no titi e no ewe wo wona mo bo we e ma ya ni ti e wo we because omo no wa be love me o we love me me yari e on e crime ni commit e so e just on ya o we me feel more kwa no da for me feel be e kwa ru da get satisfy wa e just Sonia gbogbo we ye gbe madam o but where you be la was me a news as in what constituting now. I don't want to be part of it. It's not fun to me. If you people think doing this rubbish you guys are doing here is fun, it's not fun to me. It's disgrace to me. That's why I don't want to evolve. That's why one minute platform when me no yet dobona. Platform me jama for the me. Where me there? Because I don't want to associate with you guys in Kuwahi. I don't need it. Agbe wenu yoko wahi. I kitani research, so I don't want that. That's why I stay away from all of you. Where gari me na don't me where e dey jama first lady gone. But I stay away from you people because you guys are shit. I don't need you guys. Eko gwa me vuome. Eko gwa ma vuoma azozo. I'm okay with the kids I have with my husband and how my life is going. That's all that matters to me. I don't care about you people. I don't need social media validation. I don't care who is doing better than me. I'm doing better. I'm doing good in my own way. That's a period. That is on period. Semi aela wo. Let the sleepy dog lie. Don't compare me at all. You're bishop that for because we man and the devil we je to we 40 where they la why hey when you know wa mata wa na ga ka ni medogun ona ba lo ge yo mo hu e video ni yere YouTube no ho me for e download ni bubu gwe Oladiana ewe mi. Ona ya tale mi no talo. Avarona de gbe ladian. O tarona ladian. O kian we coffee o ladian. O kian giaru bara ladian. Abitu wenye hoso Sonia. We mamia. Eva is a baloge yomo hu ina ladiani doze nunu me. E yaro vision da foa. Nu gbevi o hu a. U wa solu hu wa. Iwa bolla wa gbe a. Wa kion sa. Eri ikosi modailo, ogun ogbe boni no neno kwoti e o senu esene hiwe a. De modailo ni rovie. Uwe nye ho be modailo ga rovi me. Abie ijo bi me. Uwe nye ho a. Ya kama wegi mo mio vie na ya tosto vie no do mare me a. Iya tamu gbe ri a. Ogbani mete bi omo na ni se no bwera buje. E be bonu wa ga tamu wa gugwa mare nenu wa ya lovie keru wa biju wa vie ke a. Eri o kamu wa ni ba bola wa gbe. If you don't me, what is wrong with you people? Mona stop, oh. Mona stop. I don't like you people. Go away from me. You might need to white kuwaki. You guys are just dirty. Go away. Wakia. I do my thing my own way. I don't need any validation. Wakia sunu huji. Me man needs it. It man needs it. It's even no kwa mako come video. Later alumwa meta ya wo. I try all my best to stay away from you people. And then no man west when you don't see me ladian. But today, reverse is the case. Ogbizo da fon e. Wa when you horwa o. Ijo do me of ye ne zo wo gwa. O man no gwale validation. E gbene ne validation wa ya gwa lona. Amos yeme. O ya do do ki no do e wa we do kiana. Amos yegi mo bio. Amos ye orwe camera. O tale mi no talo. Why ya boomy at the conversation why you feel kakati wa agbe me? Oh, you got the adverse people, you beat your mother-in-law. No, I'm not coming with madam. What you walk back with us? Woman, we first of you were another major. The quarrel married here between mother and his son. Honor he got daughter-in-law. That's what she wants you guys to believe, and that's what you believe. It's okay. Keep it to yourself. Don't disturb me with that. Don't disturb me with that. Omo bi jegui wa nuhumi anatogbu wa ya efefe wa we me na do mu ore mo gele mu awa ama ye ku wa ama enerio iba bo afiye be fie kun leluwa iba bo aye be fie kun leluwa amwe me na la jave social media we mi me tota ye social media na do yo dollar o we mi o e o ma la dia na tota ye YouTube ona so atalo wa ya na bo e ori la dia. Oh, we are not courage. That's what she ever wanted. And you people give her the attention she wants. I didn't have issue with her. I'm on the Magua 3 days before the way video. Yeah, but only must stop in my way. But I was shocked to see her online. Oh my God, drag money, I'm dragging me. Who met to Buwa, the Denire Bona? Who met to Buwa, who was Suhua? I be more gear frustration you were boa. I mean, the Ritali, more gear frustration you were bo. It may know. I think we won't disturb it. Very no matter. Because I will make me a yawana. And you know what you may. Who work or eggy my way, Miropa, or eggy my Villa Magui, or eggy Magby, or eggy Marovier. Yam of your Bavic Bezo, or one another Jabby Mizanadi of Yaga Corner, on a winner bene. On a winner bene. A Macame, my way Magui, one night there's only Magui, Mamagui. Yam of your Macbezo. Then one as you have any equator, me. Of you, what you got, one way you move, Asiana. Niya seto ya Jamal first lady we ma se no seto ijebe ovie me no vie do bona u jokia iya megbe iya koduku deria iya megbe ni me na seto ya e family no megbe mo ke do seto ya wona sunu doe je Sonia doe la gogo. Let the sleepy dog line. When walking on my when sana, while social media working at doye a bomb megwale validation, the road is clear. Wagwalo, but wagwalesima. I don't need it. Ben wakio som o sago meme e de don ma e de don meme wakio yo Italy wa le validation with social media wa gbe no kia gbe no de wa gbe sekinije because igba be validation meme ni ime mi ni yawo igwalo. I don't need it. I have children to take care of in the family. Don't do that again, Sonia. Sonia, the great try nonsense in it. The great try. When you do time away. We're not bijou da fond. We do agua. O bijou da fond. You bijou da fond. Pourquoi poni yak bebo? Pourquoi poni yak bebo? Pourquoi poni yak bebo? Marie la dian via yak be. Eke non na la dian social media mo bogbo kiame. O mamio via ou. We tie den we no vi wo. Di do pa ni ya begi. Wa se no seto yan. O ma se no seto yan. Do mu me ni ya seto yan. O da ti yan dele kodu hunre. Ni ya me family. Me ge wa we be do wa kere ge awon mo o seto ije bomo. Ni ya me gbe. Is a shame that mo kan do seto ije bomo. Vera talk to me now. I talk to Vera. Vera wish my husband deportation. They deport the husband. I talk put. It don't finish. Must you respond to waiting? They will not respond because biscuit bowl rohime. I not go respond. Na biscuit bowl de my own. She na biscuit bowl de my own. Make cannot respond to them. Nije Sonia wave suon no be da mo e me no gbera ne nekpu Maria de na we o na gbera e me no gbera nije Sonia be ya drag e mure because ya hion mo meme ya gwale mi no keep ya busy e ma wona o ma gwa ya mara ebo no wa loli wo webo loli at the top e ma gi wa e abi we figi man na seti mara ebo abi ebo ma gwi magwande abi you think say many of us no fit mara ibo una choose una life finish una don mara ibo don loli don stuck. Wagwale no mare black no wakiagbe wa mare ebo ebi ro pari sunu wa ri we ro pa kugbe wa ri re ba we na ge statue then wagwale jama first lady den wa to gbe awa where you go respond no madegwa you see una life no I not go respond I go leave and make it dey insult me dey talk say when Vera me we when the Vera ya total live video tame enemy tuna epitai tuna epitai duna bituna enemy ogagbe we every day umie me very oni when na me de tie bono here me say umi me ba arwe live video 4,000 I watch 3,000 I watch agatage erimwe mi le yugu eri ogwe eri wa ma mi we awwe ma so me media na unu meta ma e we gbe unu me dota ma e madam he we nu we beje gunu e madam umi e unu me there iba bo fie kunlele we anyone not try this time what anybody at all de most una ga de what we ije kevi emi ogbe ogun ogbera gbiju e imugbo e egene de me ya do nonsense ni no gbera which I'm feeling bad anytime ya de any video no wo no biene okwo no nyegbe biomo ona mudi ona le kosi yomo hu anytime ya de video ni be YouTube social media imudi an wadegbe ge nonsense ni sunu e no nonsense nwa senaro vieme uwa yeta ogbijo da fon ogbijo uwa yeta so awa do e na e ga do e because am awe awe na e ga we wa do uwa ji gbede wa do le gbuwa ji social media validation. I don't know why you people are doing this. Wow, video 5 people are watching you, 15 people. It's okay. It's a guy. It's a guy. You can't get the love you need from social media. You cannot get social media is just for cruise and we talk, we still having fun, doing what you love, and you still make a little money from it. That's all. It's not a real life. It can never be. It can never be. Me man log him but me no sunu but my real life is just supermarket in the scene. If maybe you want to see Yeah, we need to that from when we so any anyone lads have a social media say, and then I'm out there, and then I vera, what will live video, you have a measure, you have a vera, will live video or your more. I want what is your that from what you know you are commenting your what you are doing well. If I bought la work bear Sophia, I be Sonia. A son never bought la work bear, I be too soon. What a Moroccan we seen no matter the way, and where move for where feel like quoi. Stop it, oh. Sonia. I de try. La wo. I'm not your regular. Imagine vous no gwale validation ye. Wa mi me ye ko wo me. Igwalo. I don't need it. Also ni na sikogwa. Can't you guys see it? I don't need in sikogwa because wa gbe wegbe. Repetition zero, everything zero. I don't need that. Mokpa me one no man ave mi mabo dabi ti gwa ti me gwa jama o yo ni luga ma oni je bu gwa imagine ma oni je bu gwa no yo eruru gbina wa gbele gbu wa. If you guys are not ashamed, me I'm ashamed. I don't know why, but I am. Wa gbele gbu wa. Instead of you to elevate yourselves, instead of you to promote Benjamin may be avie. Oh, you because I'm not evil like you people. Deported that guy, do you think I was happy? I was just catching cruise, but I never knew we are getting deported. We are deported me. They don't have me no nyanya with me. Who were me? I don't know when I see bad mind. And they talk and they laugh and they talk. I know even nothing serious. We're not make bishop that from where. Jamie, what the other for? Who will be Mahoa? Who will be Mahoa? What got you in a pitching here? He get waku. Me Mahoa, Bettina Hunwa. That is how to respect yourself. There is something they call self-respect. Avec the deni ritual, avec the deni benebe we bon, avec the deni your make your sa. You guys need to know that there is something they call self-respect. Because you look at the way I'm talking to you now. You see that? I went to respect banner. I'm watching you from afar. You from afar. I go my own, you go your own. But una go one drag person, conjure una me. Now what I will God see that that's what you people have always wanted. A validation now. Yagi cannot land waji. And then man we guancana a validation they have do gualo with social media. Oh, and then I'm famous. I want I have do and I'm sorry. Amamujana la na popular in the right way. Do two have a show where have a one on even a platform who will go me go. Oh, and I want a yes sorry 3,000 I watch. Eh, now 3,000 magi guwa. 4,000 magi guwa na kpobon because una wa bijama first lady. You want bring me down. All this they don't say for abroad. If they marry you both they frustrated loneliness can be our. You can sugu webo. Then you go on you can drag. I drag him my sister. You know si bonu ase Morocco no ya love ye. Or who drag even wagba drag one group. Why is a drag be there and why is settle why drag why drag be very on it's okay. But me, you know it's not my thing. So take me out of it, I beg you. Anybody did the one block. I beg you, like when it's no kind. Oh yeah, come here. You always go for your mother-in-law. Who are soon? Who are ya? Who la huri udo? Me mother-in-law boy. Who fiawo? Oh God, do I go? We are block my way, Papa. No go. And they call off when they reply the person. Don't worry, may come again. I will make one money wo ide. Get it, what better? Oh shit. Remember. One no verse, I no Christian. A validation, I mean they don't me. What total life? I don't know why they'll go marry man when they go lowly. Yanga lowly ne yangwa le mono do to taki ya wa modo wa gwa le mono o wi wa no pe no so wo kan no do to taku wa wo webo wa gba lowly kugbe de wi wa no ho no ro wo do no so da fon ya no do to taku wa wo webo o ma wonu wa marryable wa we passport or you wa ya marryable wa me passport never ye kan wa ye ba wetin come put una they want to come see black man and woman wey they do well they do if a boy to la wa egbe what do so ya solo o ma wonu wa na person say mo na marry ibo lazy youth. No, una no fit work get passport. See, black people, black man marry black woman marry black man. They see passport if you follow the law. If you follow the rule, you walk. Wa ma on wa winner. Wa ya lela webo. Wa ikiyo meme ne wo webo. Wa deep pressing ne wa like social media gwa le validation. Rubbish dede. And the great try oh. Your husband they work. No, you know they work now. You they renew paper for us now. Oh yeah. Okay. Pagbeo, ewe nania. E wo pay go wa. Wo pay go wa na maje nania. Now you they pay. You know they work, how you work. Now Ghana still they work. Ghana not supposed to be work. You know no law. Mama Benjamin na yari for in Nigeria. Where they take Benjamin me or me winner. Go high go why even no sunu die. Areba I winner. I have go wa. Not they work, not they pay us rent. Many of you don't know how Germany work. When you don't work, you go day one thing when they call me atia. One place where the job center yatia be. Job center you day there. They go they control your life. You see TikTok market where they do so. Watch Germany. Many people for here know they do one. Because we are being waiting with social media. You are not go ask question. Because any money you see for social media, I love you. Good afternoon, man. I hear you, Jerry. Another person still dey make cotton. I not call here, call do saga. I just can't tell una. Mona stop to the push una frustration for my own body. It was celebrated birthday, no day. We come out go watch movie yesterday from 40-something minutes drive. Majo. I watch a film in there. Man, I call Diowa. So I watch it in the man no day. And I call day. Over you call wow. Even know you go ni me. Even know you go me. Even know you go. Even something that will not go against the law of my marriage. That will not accept my husband, that will not make my children feel uncomfortable. And anything we go make, I know they do one. Waiting go make everybody they happy and comfortable. Even I get what they use my time till they do. I get what they use my time till they do. I don't get those children. I get children that I always want to practice and do and practice. So I always there for them. I don't have you people time. Why you have me why you have a validation? Una want use me build platform. Then the platform on me but wasile wodo. One way more na one way more dailori. Ito tango me one way more dailori. O wiena. Ari ne no ma yoto. Ari ne no ma yoto. Akachu uwa we beauty contest ya. Ime no wata de hatred no worry wa. De hatred no worry wa. Aka ne no ma yoto. Ari no ma yoto. Akachu no. Ari wa e buwa. Ai gbue. Abuela we gbe Sonia. Oh, Oma can me making me a live video doro you don't pay work, you know. But what do you expect from a man? It depress you, webo. Lazy you to when winner. When winner, mane black in marry, black in marry black in Germany. Italian people go see that they collect passports. They not go depressed for Igbo house. We're not there a lazy youth lifestyle. They your webo. One na maro Igbo, mona not they pay house rent. Mona not they pay B. We are making anya nowhere. Not be make una go marry who na no love. Some of una go say na passport. And then the passport no wagi ya me the passport iwagbo. Wa man ya gwa le life wa stuck in a comfort zone. Wa call about depression inside. Depression inside. Now before that they marry you go they stay for bondage because you they look for passport. A passport if you na imagine na uma na have criminal record. Una win for 5 years. Una have document where who you apply you be treated. From there who apply a passport. Wa have a beno wa jo direct to passport. Una need to be treated. It's work. It's work and building your name and your reputation and pay tax. That's all you need to have it to make. Imagine the niya mare ebo niya depress you webo niya gwa lokbia woko niya gbe niya gwa lo oboko mi niya do gugbina or that form mi niya gugbina with social media ni make na mi ogogo ni ma make na eme ni make na popular do me man can get that no ima depress mama choose a life video ina choose a black. Oh, bien eti gubo ni eti kiss or you aye make your man aye seti kiss aye seti bon wa mare wa or you know dia what you know dia mo see no wa joju wa gbe a laziness or see you wa gbe 95% of these old women when they for Igbo has ya who wa depressed if they gbe wa ya gwa irrelevancy with social media every day none of the fire all of una I mean the because why una they work all una bill a boy marry una everything they Igbo head or Igbo they pay house rent. Who be mumu wait lade all of them go marry Igbo. It just Sonia now. There nothing you fit tell me about this. This is Sonia. Sonia now. You waru sema. She there among the people when marry Igbo when depressed. Depression show for her body. Now only she go on live video. They insult who no insult her. I mean your pane get guaji. No self respect. If they don't marry Igbo, they don't depressed. For how Igbo has, they go lost sense of reasoning. All this is the day when you see. Oh my, see you like now even come abroad when. Now even come abroad when opportunity there abroad. Go look all this the day when sit down for Igbo house. Go ask them what it be being a driving license in ni boom. That time when they do expo, they will pay person may help them do driving license. And ya ni boom ya driving license in webo. Neya dia total your class in 1 day. Ya wa ku book big biagiakpa. Ya na mwekwe ya na la webo. Then we depressing then eke boegi bagbe or boegi kisi we no ewia or magi love then udo a drag on my social media and I make na do age that say I love you already you go on. Did I need anybody to tell me they love me for me to have joy? Are you okay? Well no gba that fi me peki messy supermarket akede na gbe love in we leader yake camera no ge ma wa gba zuo o maro man wa ma love you no fi ame ofinufu wa mare ebo no wa kisi Amarebo wagwale kiakia be WhatsApp. Wala go do. You just Sonia, don't do that with me. Anything in like let me talk. A very good one because okagumegwa and agwegwa. So it's not your right to come and be saying we're jama no gwa. We're not bijo da fu we. We're not robijo da fu we. We're not winning enemy. We're not winning enemy. Okay, we're not na rovi me. We married then nuna suhu ni babuana la we gbe Sonia. We married no we e de na ehona we guru e camera we family we ado even ekenene jeve magi wata. No temata mami ukmo ruajiko. No temata o mami ukmo ruajiko. Wa magi ta we e na we mi me no vie do bona. Ona mi oda fona do tota na mwe ra vigere. Me na do tota na mwe ero do vijo dore. Wa mami but o mani on we live video na tota ona atamu wa ma ona atalo ma wa yana ya watch ere ne relevancy e wa depressive webo wa ya gwa le life iye problem wa ropa mo go wa choose up and wa can gbe love you with. Don't let my life depress you. Don't maybe if when you were in my age you wanted to I wish you know you would have lived the kind of life I'm living now, but it don't pass. No cause they use my own. They do say now you supposed to live the kind of life. No do ya gumekon. Mama mi new why mo gunu why have a choice. A laziness of beluwa. Obama gbeme. A laziness of beluwa when I do abi my ti marebo. We feel my ti marebo. When me na matter mu why but let's leave that. Yeah, I we depression of one. I know what I'm saying. I might be talking to you with experience of my own real life. You don't know. What I tell you is what you will know. When I said that you can be in a white man house and have everything, it will be paying you every month and you still get depressed. Because the loneliness now no be here. You don't know if I have lived that kind of life. In a move in a way, again not who you see a family here. So I choose what is right for me. Did you know? We may be even wajia. Maybe we born me or my stay kabe boneme go nemo go boya. Do you know my life? Do you know my history? You don't. So I beg, one need decide to stay there and depress there. Stay there and depress. Morocco. If you smoke your Morocco, finish, enter house, or you carry your saga mate while you're saga wudo, any measure. And the big compare me with a name is your dafon, la wo. La your man and I say age, you never be 60 years in a way to do movement. La wo. You may say 60 years. You guys say 60 years in Odo. Who may me argue man over 60? Look at what you are doing. No good boy, Sonia. Who move your hair? You argue the no good boy. You are both fear kulelue. I go leave this video for here. I just say me I can't tell Sonia. Sonia when you don't come my way. One, you got a man na be boy. I dare hear when your children come beat you that day. I dare hear when your son say your pekus they smell. I dare hear I was even when time you see me where. But guess what? I control my imagwayo. I not talk put, I not comment put. That is how to respect yourself. But now when you come abroad. Na ye kia ya riere here na nebo ho na ana riere na ye kia ya wole ereruwa ana view hi uwa gi bie na omomo wa wat ni no momo ni mado abie na dede nu waje ni mado amuwa we o ni ya boy ni dede no your man ne so ereruwa na do turn upside down it make you why where you and no one need to behave as a no one mani bieka na behave as bieka ni do to wa. Okay, don't tell me that. Et de doko kime. Okay, my grandmother, your training me. Matama mega lungo me geta ya wo ayari ma. When we nitana. Why say we bone. You're supposed no we na. You're supposed no ya seto nya. You're supposed no do ya na. You're supposed no ya na. You te evu why ovi o kakero seto no wa me buwa. Amako ko me video. E ho ni kere. O e ho no pe wo ni kere na bie me ni na nwa e no nwa we me no nwa my fear of for na we give forgiving ya no nwa no ri ya beje ya we no nwa na ya do we mi bieka we bieka no nwa okay so we me no nwa e Sonia bogo we yegbe Sonia, I beg you with the name of God. Bogo we yegbe la wo I don't enjoy what I'm doing now. I don't enjoy it poor. I don't. Yeah, when the baby, yeah, man needs but I just have to stop this because today not be the first. I know we do copy, and not back belegis, and then the judge of belegis, and then one, and then the judge of wow, and then the one I have a copy of our pala wo. Is me the social media, yes, Sonia. Is me money the validation. Or say, Maduru Lelazano, the way more be Jama first lady, more be Yemerema. Or media, I mean, one media again. Oro no see ni mesi mi no see mi merema o no see mi meru we video na me una ni mesi mi ami to say ore ma ba de eba so we are all social media ma wa responsible ma me wa ke do ya me so do wa ke mo me wo me ki ma je me ki o me je me ma me ki o sa o wa ye respect egbe o wa wo ke o ma we ni e do ro social media na gbo ya en ki o bie jama first lady ake respect yen o ma we need de she don't need that. I have a responsible mother. The thing I didn't na ye kia yere you wa hunre na wa na me wan mai. Abi ado compare with the dome me ni we bona compare to in Nigeria. Abi je no Nigeria ye ije ya ye kin wa ni re ma rudu wa ya fiakara yo fiakara re bene party nebo ere maki gbanu wa gigwi bi e kasimie udo akope ovi o kakere with dede. Egbuwa na mi o ami na mi e wo buwa ami ya ni bene party Roma termine ne. Iye customer ya webo. Iye customer kin odo. Tao, just weja. La go just leave me alone. I don't enjoy this nonsense you people are doing. It's not fun. It's not even good. It's not a good thing. I hate it. You dey get rubbish no wa una iwa hate it despise it. Because it take you nowhere. No reputation. It's just nonsense. You will be doing it. I'm not depressed. You your gear. Is that all? I don't like it. I don't enjoy doing this. But I need to do it because I see what you start. What you want start now. You don't they call people, they gather. Oh, Only wa vere o wa betalo enene iya iva o da finya o won da for me o to gbo wa jealous ya I dey see as all this they do ni ame booster pagarian ni ame redditorian ni ame name ni ame work attached to their name. No, they just want to hide under Oyibo, even though say they don't love the Oyibo. In our frustrate, they cannot boldly do what we are doing. Genuine love that we are showing, we are flaunting. They can't flaunt it because their own is not genuine. It's not genuine. So that's why any small thing, Sophia, a Sonia yatie or petching yame. Sonia woman work any of Bishop da for when any job that for a live video. I will tell the work like bad then when see Morocco or weird or sota. Okay, can we work a jere we ezo matiaro one hour live video with YouTube on our talo. One I'm women na larger with social media. Wana ignore Donny. Wana do face him because I'm on mogbe or beluwa. Make am wait me beg ye marriage ya. Uwazuo. Wagi maybe na wano you be no ye you wa. We give me video. Ime no water. We wagi jama first lady. Igi wa mere kevya wa mo say ina wa toast ina we gonna know the trailer. Ina we give me video ah. Like really? I'm atale wa when ya gwegbe even ya gwegbe na the son na see they talk the lie the user bully me. What's in wamana why not tell the woman say madam eminu na magba wa wegui wagu mwela jave media wagu ru live video or wagwe Gladys igwan and then the Gladys no gwan pe ama ho ma ho me be ba send the video ni gime. I want Gladys igwan e Gladys na igwan wa give family we ma be tie no where ma we gwan 3 days before that day o ma be tie no kwa ma we give the Gladys ita ana mwela and then the validation wa ya gwa lo wa kion mo meme wa kion ma go meme lao aya me gwa lo wasile go do imagi wa webon wa ya le ejun wa na depressing wa ga me black in igbe love if a boy la wa gbe if you not the user see black boy and black girl when they do well wa ga so mostly wa na ni ma bi ene bona a loneliness can gbu wa. Do you know my life? The very ago we were not doing beer and a black. I told you people we marry the black. I have my reason of saying that. And the moment of maybe where imani the loneliness, I was not suffering there. I have everything. I lived there because my only don't end up like you people. I lived there, I lived the house, I lived the mansion, I left. Kill a lot that for me. Because he only live a good life for one and he don't hear me. Now me they tell now say money cannot bring happiness. Now when you get her, now you know. I was once there. That's not my life. I go for what I want. And I have what I want today. I am happy. But when you decide to stay there, so be there. And don't disturb me with your depression. I know how depressed it can be. You don't need to tell me. You don't need to tell me. I'm talking from experience. Get a life. Mona tell Sonia may leave me. Mona tell her. Because your children they beat you, you want you start they talk to your children. You by the use Jama first lady they cover up. The Jama first lady on when we go have where I give no why go me go silas. You work here. What feed him here? Why respect Oma? You see why I respect people? I respect everybody. Even me now, nobody for this social media when they look say silas. Oma come here. Oma silas is not my thing. When everybody got their life to live. But we want la dia why ya osi love and then the Jama first lady no ve gwa. And then me understand though. And then why ya osi loma. Osi any we na ve learn. When the character no okpa bo ve buekin. Okpa we ve buekin. Sonia. Ufi gi ma ya. Okpa bo ve buekin. We no ve bie no wa vi we ve ku. We me talk we for me la zani me do we Sonia. Mo vitali e je we mo ve Jamie e je we fu Jamie. What's any another way? We make it to we fail with laughy. Sonia, and no remake we meet is order for her, which is not my right to settle there. Iya any metal settle, ya was honesty, civility. Aga keni me no be do bona do seto nya. Ezo na ose ti di daki don't come. Because I'm a resume very yo. They have family. Their family should be able to do that for them. Yes, not me. Don't put me there. We are going to me be na me yawe me. Iya megbe. When you settle with you, when any character down with me now. And then a character no mama, character me. A character man, you can't be again. Never de do me. Eh, we be na. We be you we cool. Wow, book the pose. What is life when I don't have relationship with my children? What is life? E money me kokona be more. He ain't do total ke summer. Ni ma ya day ya men ni ma mwekbe yo mwekbere. What is life? Tell me, what is life? E Sonia who walk by summer vere na. I me jewo wawe. Ade jewe vwe webo. E kwe mugwe. Okon we ti oge miame. E Sonia we gugwa. I wakon we ti oge miame. E kwe mugwe. Are you not ashamed of yourself? I will get old. My joy. If I get old tomorrow, you see my children, they are growing now. You have to pass for children to grow. The children cannot wait to take holiday and go and meet mama. Go and meet grandmama. They can't wait to take holiday. And they're not still be una set when they want me picking reach 30 years before he marry. Because I need them. You need them. On your gogonoro wa ikokomone ejeni yana yaga gegbe wa me wa hule mokwa eje lenuwa eje ma owa wa ma eje e depression gbeluwa wa depress ijo wa failures. Who do I drag him on my plan? Who do I drag him on my life? No kokomo. Who do I drag him? Sonia. Ikburu no sugbo wea. Ino when una yoda for where ya kope we. Ikburu no sugbo wea. Eya fi say life we ya gba eya settle with you we. Mega areba bi we ma wo eku emuwe. Are you not ashamed? Okokiza. Iya ami omokpa ya we ya gba. I rebuke e. Because they not cocky with love. I want them to know so that when they grow, they will have love also for each other. I always remind my children. And you see, as soon as they play, now that they do, you take my rubber, you take my things. Mommy, this belongs to me. There will come a time that will not happen anymore. You might be in America, maybe Greta is here, Beckham is in London. Nobody know. It's only phone. You people will be hearing from each other. So enjoy it now. Play, argue, disagree, agree, but the love remain. I am bringing up my children. Cannot want raise rubbish when I raise. I make the dumb and ni season or more. My way, ma. We will make it a me no shut up. As soon we wanna, as soon we gbena. You give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. When we tana, you must fail even wafe. Never the dumb and make pa wak pa yo dere. Stay in the corner and start looking at real life. Because you people messed up your lives. And don't come and disturb me with it, Sonia. Let do your life you disturb your life, we summer jena, we are in summer. E Sonia me or me je no say eti we webo. No one they brought your house. Or you ko work a bonusiva. Ume mi ove the day work bogu na imune jama first lady or muwe. What do compare with each other for eh? Where talk where? You know they talk your own Sonia. Wait auto ala meria we are Jamie do two jouer les jouer avec do two well nada go pa bowe boekin madage show me your friend I will tell you who you are atasin ya uta no mo ne yo mo no doy no go edoy wasile go do wasile e de do kokome o wari enwa yo mo hunze ori enwa jo mo we de do me makoko me mari we bodo na do ye kia wolerere nene e mere ro gwa me na ewo de rie de dokoko me nonsense agbogu waje gba me de do me ni re we bona mo na just stay where do where. Hey Sonia, instead of you to be talking about me, go and settle with your children so you will have access to grandchildren. It's a very big failure in your own part. As an old woman like you, your grandchildren, they're supposed to be crying now. Then the major American grandmother, until that female in Switzerland, and so marry Asone. Mommy, I want to go to Germany. Mommy, I know some of you will be saying, why not they go? I want to go to Germany. I have a kunyari. Ottawa, we said, ya can't wear. It is ya can't so. You can't boy grandmommy. And we no ma get time, okay, what am I say? Okay, what? That's the life. That's the joy. I know that nonsense competition. What they do? I am doing a real life. Real life because you know you water no you or a grandchildren. Me, I live with my grandmother. I know how many joy. I know how much joy I give to her. I know how she always call me damage. The more yakpa you worry, then me and a day. My grandmom go home me go do we never swame of a way yame. I enjoy her. She enjoy me. That's a joy of a real grandmother. I mean grandmother no do. I mean grandmother wait there. Grandmother wait there abroad. 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 Apart from go see my husband's sister for Switzerland. Your husband don't die. But the Oibo mama. They work here, they don't make me wait. All the viemo. He not go carry a more alone. He go pay. He let son wife joiner. Of Vignari holiday. E dede. E Sonia total e social media. See no here, see no day. E jewe ya wakia. Here in your who is this? Hello, we got say na me boy your mama. Na me boy your mama oh. Walking guy explain there say, oh okay. Hi grandmom, hi. What the way? And then them mona be here respect. Walking be respect in on my way. Ute we no do mu nususu wo nuruda wo bije o wo biera. Okay, wa me order de we. Akoke mo verio. Anya gbon verio. Wa ya don le that waji. Wa na ve de ni rewe bona mostly ni Italy. Mo na go repair una life. I never did waka one day me I jam oduma. Waka if your man again waka ya do when I get 12 years. Wa gwale no kan time where you look like 13 years. This see where my we market 13 years. Where my they don't me. They don't me. Sekodo. When you water. On I when you want to tama on do talog be. When Sonia boko we yegbe wa de gbe gumegun iga ire iga imogun buewe imu gbibuwe iga itie bonu itie ne obrigago nu wo wani na ri ogogo nu because you see na jena because when imagine na you can't just tell me wa we live video iwa mi gwalaru pa iwa mi mwere how will I do that? How can I even do it? I can't. I have a lot of things to do. A video on me una ori amerewa e mi ro ni awu yeah when they me chance me la media. And if there are not my time for Benjamin Seka on or give information on Nidigo, Benjamin go no mogwa. You go no here in Nigeria, you don't use and finish. It is a one can work another one. The whole for airport, the deporter. Benjamin need money. A Benjamin recover or run like moba. You have your luggage gaga. I made do Tony for. Imagine me Benjamin for when no door, when no door. If you not better, who get better, no depression, who's a webo. Uno years even again, as soon as better, where the out here. I made a so second wages since then. Just a matter of my so the way. What talk very amujo do you way? I will not take it from you guys again. Enough. Because egg be megele me. Of your na fear egg be me, ya not tell you megbe. Ya have it on a maybe I say kwaba me. I why but at the nana, you people take those things as true. Yeah, who a depression or a man a dementia or so where a monopause no do totaria many wa. And the man jajia. Why try man of back and take excuse no wa. Anything you will face the consequences. I said it and I will say it again. Anybody who na wa beer we say una rovieme mostly a day. Una batie bo me honoga wo bie babagida what your gun me ya la de mana mo gun ni gbu e ni emi no see. I will not take that nonsense from nobody anymore. I've taken it for the past. I'm not going to take it anymore. What your woman, it did advise where be you anybody. I don't care.